To understand the questions, we will analyze past paper 2 from the October-November session 2013, which topic was the American involvement in the Vietnam War. Each paper has a guiding question that will set you a stage from where to analyze the whole set of sources. For this paper, the question was, why did America lose the war in Vietnam? This is how it will appear in your paper. The option you take is B, 20th century topic, and right below you will find the guiding question, why did America lose the war in Vietnam? Below the question, the opening task, study the background information and the sources carefully and then answer all the questions. Question 1 is a source comparison question. It asks you to compare two written sources. It is similar to the game that asks you to spot the 7 differences in the images, but instead of images, you will have sentences, so you will need to identify what ideas the sources have in common and which of them are different. Let's take a look at the mark scheme. Given two written sources, A and B, the question says, how similar are these sources? And tells you to answer the question using the sources. This means that you are expected to provide precise and detailed evidence from the sources. As I said, kind of spotting the differences in an image. Look at the maximum level awarded in this question. To reach it, you must identify agreements, similarities, and also identify disagreements, differences. You're expected to find in total between 6 to 7, including both differences and similarities. Here's a way you can present the evidence by showing the difference. The sources differ on the impact the Tet Offensive had in the USA. While source A says that the public was already turning against the war before the Tet, source B states that it came as a shock for the public. Likewise, in the case of similarities, you will need to identify the points of agreement. In this case, if the sources state literally the same words, you just mention these ones. For example, both sources agreed that communists had made mistakes and failed to inspire the people.